First theorem. This is the most important theorem in pair of straight lines. The theorem statement is, let the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. Then the angle theta between the lines is given by cos theta is equals to mod of a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. The angle between the lines is given by the formula cos theta is equals to mod a plus b by square root of a minus b whole square plus 4h square. What is the given data? Given equation represents a pair of straight lines. Now we want to show that angle between the lines is equals to this formula. So first we write the given equation here. Given equation is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. And given that this equation represents a pair of straight lines. So we take the lines as given that ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 represents a pair of straight lines. So we take the two lines R. First line is L1x plus m1y is equals to 0 and the second line is L2x plus m2y equal to 0. Therefore the given pair of straight line is nothing but the product of the two lines now, since it is a pair of straight line. Therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to L1x plus m1y into L2x plus m2y. Since this is the pair of straight line, what is the meaning of the pair of straight line? Pair of straight line means this is nothing but the product of the two lines represented by that equation. Therefore ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to product of the two lines. Now taking the product here, L1x into L2x, that is L1 L2x square plus L1x into M2y, L1 M2xy plus M1y into L2x, L2 M1xy plus M1y into M2y, M1 M2y square. Therefore, the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to L1 L2 x square plus, now here taking xy common from the second and third terms, then we get L1 M2 plus L2 M1 into xy. Taking xy common here plus M1 M2 y square. Now by comparing the similar terms on both sides to this equation, so by comparing similar terms, then what we get, x square quotient is equals to a and x square quotient is equals to L1 L2. Therefore the first value is a is equals to L1 L2. And next taking xy quotient 2h, xy quotient is equals to 2h here and xy quotient is equals to L1 M2 plus L2 M1. And next taking y square quotient, that is p is equals to here, and here y square quotient is equals to m1 m2. So to find the angle between the lines, first I take the lines here, L1x plus m1y is equals to 0 and L2x plus m2y equal to 0, and we compare these two lines with the lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. And we take the values of a1 b1 a2 b2. What is a1 value? a1 is equals to L1 x quotient, and what is b1 value? m1 y quotient. And from this line we take the values of a2 b2. a2 is equals to L2 and b2 is equals to y quotient, that is m2. b2 is equals to m2. Now what is the angle between these two lines? Already we have learned this formula in the straight lines chapter. Angle between these two lines is cos theta is equals to mod a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square. Now this is the formula for finding the angle between these two lines. Now substituting these two values here, now this is equals to modulus a1 a2. What are values? a1 is equals to L1, a2 is equals to L2, that is L1 L2 plus b1 b2 means m1 m2 by square root of a1 square plus b1 square, L1 square plus m1 square into square root of L2 square plus m2 square. So first we take the formula and we substitute the values here. Now this is equals to under modulus, and this is equals to L1 L2. What is L1 L2 value? A. And M1 M2. What is M1 M2 value? B. That means this is A and this is B. Now substituting the values A plus B. Already here we have that A is equals to L1 L2 and B is equals to M1 M2. Now we replace those values here by, we take the single square root to both of the terms here. Here we take the common square root, that is square root of L1 square plus M1 square into L2 square plus M2 square. We take the common square root to both of the terms, and this is equals to mod A plus B by square root of. So here we take the product, that is L1 square L2 square, means L1 L2 whole square, plus second value is L1 square M2 square, that is L1 M2 whole square. First we take the product L1 square into these two. Next we take the product with M1 square. M1 square into L2 square, that is L2 M1 whole square, plus M1 square into M2 square, means M1 M2 whole square. And this is equals to mod A plus B by square root of, first we write these two values, that is L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square. Next I write the remaining two values, which are L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square. And this is equals to mod A plus B by square root of L1 L2 whole square plus M1 M2 whole square. Now here value minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 plus L1 M2 whole square plus L2 M1 whole square plus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2. That is, here in between these four terms we add the value minus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2 and plus 2 L1 L2 M1 M2, like that. So here when we cancel these two terms, then we get the above values. So without changing the value, we can add the value like that, and this is equals to mod A plus B by square root of, clearly this is in the form of A square plus B square minus 2AB, means A minus B whole square, that is L1 L2 minus M1 M2 whole square. A square plus B square minus 2AB, A minus B whole square. What is A value? L1 L2, and what is B value? M1 M2, plus, now this is in the form of A square plus B square plus 2AB. Now what is the answer? A plus B whole square, that is L1 M2 plus L2 M1 whole square. And this is equals to mod A plus B by, already at the starting we have the values, this is A and this is B, that is A minus B whole square, and this value is equals to 2h whole square. Therefore the answer cos theta is equals to mod A plus B by square root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. So this is the answer, most important theorem between the lines. And if suppose we take the theta is equals to 90 degrees, then what we get? Theta is equals to 90 degrees means the two lines are perpendicular to each other. So when we substitute theta is equals to 90 degrees, and cos 90 is equals to mod A plus B by square root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square. And what is cos 90 value? 0. That is 0 is equals to mod A plus B by square root of A minus B whole square plus 4h square, which means mod A plus B equal to 0. That is, if A plus B is equals to 0, then the equation represents pair of perpendicular lines. So if A plus B is equals to 0, then ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equals to 0 represents perpendicular lines. Now this is the condition for perpendicular lines. This is also the most important formula. Therefore, the given equation represents the perpendicular lines. That's all.